Well, we are back at Mecca, Casita, the factory down here in Rice, Texas. Remember, we had an issue right here with the bumper, that the welds back here came loose. So they are going to work on that for us today. And we also had a couple little chips, I guess it was, possibly in the gel coat around the bathroom sink and around the kitchen sink. And they're also going to check on that for us. So we'll give you all an update on how things are going. But we're here right now, and they say it might be an all-day thing, but we'll find out. We'll find out. Well, we are in the lounge here at Casita. Sort of Nancy's back in the corner back there. Emilio checked us in, and they're going to finish getting some stuff done, and then they will let us know that they're going to start working on it, and then we're going to head out for a little bit because they're saying it could be all day. So I don't know. We'll work on that because we were hoping to be over in Shreveport today. So we'll see how that works out. Also, because there was some damage to the tray that we use, Emilio said to send him a receipt or the invoice or something like that for it, and then they will reimburse us for the tray. So I'm waiting for Casita to get with me about how long it's going to take to fix our camper. So I'm just looking around here, and I noticed that Casita went to all 12-volt refrigerators. I asked why, and they said that they had a small 12-volt from Dometic that Dometic stopped making. So they went with all 12-volt, which is fine. I like it, and I like these new 12-volt refrigerators too. And I'm going to spin around here and show you. This is the new 12-volt that they have, and it's got a separate freezer here on it. So you do lose the little cabinet up here, but you get a much bigger cabinet area here for the microwave would normally be. So it is a lot bigger. So you lose the one little drawer that everybody complains about, that folds up. You lose that one, and you get this much bigger space right here, and you also get a much bigger refrigerator. Here's what the refrigerator, the inside looks like. So I mean, this is nice. I do like this. I do like this a lot. So just wanted to give you, find my face here, just wanted to give you a little update while we're down here at Casita. Well, I'm sitting here in the parking lot of a Buc-ee's in Enos, Texas, about 10 miles north of Rice. Just wasting some time waiting for Casita to get done with our camper. They are going to repair the hitch and reinforce it for us. Our refrigerator door kept opening up over bumps whenever we were heading out. I had a temporary fix for it, but they're going to repair that. There was also 2 cosmetic blemishes on a couple of countertops in the camper, probably just from the gel coat, but they're going to also fix that. They say it could be done, maybe early afternoon, mid-afternoon, something like that. And when we get done with that, we are booking out of here and heading to Shreveport, Louisiana. I have reservations there for tonight, but it's only less than 3 hours away. So we'll see how fast we get over there to that. But we'll see how well they do. I mean, so far they've been great about it. They reimbursed me for the cargo tray that was on the back because there was a little damage done to that. But they did reimburse me for the full amount I paid for that cargo tray. And they've been very apologetic about the whole thing. So far, customer service gets 2 thumbs up. So we arrived this morning at 8:16 a.m. I think that's what it is, or 8:18 a.m. It is now 3:27 p.m. We're hitched up They welded the hitch onto the Casita and put a reinforcing bar on it, and then did a few more welds than what they normally would have. And I crawled under and they look like they're good welds. So I'll show video of that here in a little bit. But they also fixed a couple little gel coat cracks that were in there, and they fixed our fridge, which kept wanting to come open while we were traveling. And they did an outstanding job. Emiliano, man, he did an outstanding job on everything, getting it all organized and all that. And that's what warranties are for, no charge. They even reimbursed me for the tray for the back of it because it got a little damage. So anyhow, I'm very happy. We're on our way now to Shreveport, Louisiana. Well, we made it to Nashville, Tennessee. Unfortunately, I've been having to take all the stuff that was on the tray in and out of the camper constantly. But Casita said that they fixed this, that they actually added a reinforcing bar, and the welds look a lot stronger than they were before. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So that's one of the welds there, and then they added an extra bar with more welds there. More over here. Sorry, my air conditioner is dripping back here. More over there. And then they said they also reinforced it back in there. I can't really tell where they reinforced it, but they said they reinforced on. So they're telling me that it will hold. So we are going to see. I'm going to put the tray back on and not weigh it down quite as much initially. So I ended up taking the tray apart and stowing it until I can get this fixed. And you can see here where this bounced and the weld and it scraped against the road. There was something back in here like a reflector or whatever, but it's gone. You can also see how thick this was, but how thin it is right there. Now, I don't think there's anything structurally wrong with it. From what I can see, I don't see any cracks or anything like that. There's a little wear right there on it, but I think it'll be at least good enough to get us on home. Well, I got it all reattached, got the bag back on. I'm gonna go over, there's a Camping World nearby, and I'm gonna look for a new one of those, the anti-rattle. I'm not happy with that one, but got it all done. I'm going to the pool. I think I deserve it. I've had enough.